Welcome to this video on English idiomatic expressions. Language goes beyond mere words and grammar. It's a treasure trove of vibrant and distinctive phrases that infuse our conversations with richness and depth. In today's journey, we'll explore some of the most intriguing and frequently employed idiomatic expressions in the English language. These expressions transcend language. They offer us glimpses into the culture and inventive spirit of English speakers. So, let's embark on this exploration of the linguistic gems that make English a truly captivating language. Okay, let's begin. English idiomatic expressions. Hit the nail on the head, describe something exactly. The idiom, hit the nail on the head, is a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of precisely and accurately identifying or addressing the core or essential aspect of a situation, problem, statement, or idea. When someone hits the nail on the head, it signifies that they have successfully pinpointed the crucial point or truth, often with clarity and insight. This idiom emphasizes the importance of accuracy, directness, and effectiveness in understanding, communication, problem-solving, or analysis. It conveys the idea of achieving a perfect or exact connection with the central issue at hand. Here are the usages of the idiom, hit the nail on the head, in various contexts. Effective problem solving. When used in the context of problem solving, the idiom, hit the nail on the head, implies providing a solution that directly addresses and resolves the core issue. This explanation is versatile and applicable across a wide range of scenarios, emphasizing the importance of accurate problem resolution. Clear communication of ideas. In communication, hit the nail on the head means expressing ideas clearly and directly, ensuring a thorough understanding by the audience. Clear communication is a fundamental skill in various personal and professional situations. Strategic decision-making. In strategic decision-making, hit the nail on the head means guiding the decision-making process with insightful and accurate perspectives. This explanation is valuable in leadership, management, and planning contexts where strategic decisions play a crucial role. Now, let's examine some examples of the idiom, hit the nail on the head. During the crisis, the leader hit the nail on the head by quickly identifying and addressing the key factors contributing to the problem. In the discussion about climate change, the expert hit the nail on the head, simplifying complex issues and making them accessible to the public. Facing a challenging project, the team lead hit the nail on the head by proposing an innovative solution that addressed the project's core issues. During the meeting, Jack hit the nail on the head by pointing out that the delay in production was due to a malfunctioning machine. In the review, the critic hit the nail on the head, accurately describing the film's strengths and weaknesses. For a better understanding and immersion, listen to the story to see how the idiom, hit the nail on the head, is used in it. The perfect pitch. In a bustling boardroom, Emma, a marketing executive, was presenting her team's new advertising campaign to a group of skeptical stakeholders. The atmosphere was tense as they scrutinized every detail of the proposal. Emma, determined to impress, carefully explained the innovative approach her team had taken. As she showcased the visuals and outlined the campaign strategy, one of the seasoned stakeholders interrupted with a barrage of questions, challenging the effectiveness of the chosen marketing channels. Without hesitation, Emma calmly addressed each query, providing insightful explanations and real-world examples. Just when the skepticism seemed at its peak, Emma hit the nail on the head. She pulled up a slide showcasing preliminary results from a small-scale test run of the campaign. The data spoke volumes: impressive engagement rates, increased brand visibility, and positive consumer feedback. The room fell silent for a moment as the stakeholders absorbed the impact of the data. Emma had precisely addressed the concerns, and demonstrated the campaign's potential success. In that pivotal moment, she had indeed hit the nail on the head. The skeptics transformed into believers, nodding in agreement. The campaign was approved unanimously, and Emma's ability to accurately address their concerns had not only salvaged the presentation, but had also earned her team the green light for an ambitious marketing venture. Emma's skill in hitting the nail on the head had turned skepticism into success, leaving a lasting impression on her colleagues and superiors alike. In the questions section, you should think about what we've learned and recall the knowledge so that you can answer the questions easily. So, read the questions and find the correct answer below. 1. What does the idiom, hit the nail on the head, mean? A. To avoid difficult situations. B. To miss the target. C. To understand a problem accurately. D. To hammer nails into wood. 2. What quality does hitting the nail on the head emphasize? A. Random guessing. B. Precision and accuracy. C. Avoiding challenges. D. Ignoring details. 3. Which situation best represents hitting the nail on the head? A. Marking a random spot on the wall. B. Accurately identifying the cause of a problem. C. Hammering nails without a clear purpose. D. Missing the target intentionally. 4. When would it be appropriate to use the idiom, hit the nail on the head? A. Describing a vague statement. B. Avoiding providing a clear answer. C. Expressing disagreement without details. D. Acknowledging someone's accurate assessment. As we conclude our exploration of English idiomatic expressions, I hope you've enjoyed this linguistic adventure. Idioms are the hidden treasures of any language, revealing the culture, history, and humor of its speakers. By understanding and using idioms, you not only become a more fluent communicator, but also gain insights into the soul of the English language. So, go ahead, break a leg, and start using these phrases to add richness and depth to your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be a piece of cake if you bite the bullet and practice regularly. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, happy idiom hunting.